Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mention someone on TikTok. Okay, first of all, you can open your TikTok application on your phone and let's create a post on TikTok. So we can tap on this plus button. And for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to upload this photo as my TikTok post. And if you want to mention someone on your post, you can tap on the sticker option, and here you can select mention right here. Okay, and you can type the username of the account you want to mention on your post, and I'm going to mention this one. Okay, this account. Alright, and you can place this mention to the part of your post that you want. I'm going to place it right here and I'm going to zoom out like this. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on next. Alright, and we can click on post to post this TikTok content. Okay. And alright guys, that's how we can mention someone on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.